Hey Miata fans, my name is Mike Usrey, and I have an exciting announcement for you. We will be having Summer Camp 2023 here at Flyin Miata HQ. This year it will be June 9th through the 11th, and just like in previous years, we will be having some guided tours through the scenic mountains of western Colorado. We'll also be having an open house day here at our facility on Saturday, which will include a car show, it'll include meals, it'll include a banquet with awards for the car show and other things as well. And then, of course, we'll also have tech talks and seminars going on that day, too. Besides those things that you're used to, we will also have a very exciting new addition this year, which is Track Time is back. We did get access to our local track at Grand Junction Motor Speedway. Insurance has been figured out, which has been a huge hurdle for us, but we made it. We can offer track this year. There will be limited spots. So be aware, if you want to do track time, get signed up. Use that link down at the very bottom of our website to sign up for our email newsletters, because we will be releasing more information about further updates on the event, pricing for general admission and for track time, and what availability we have left. And of course, if you have any questions in the meantime about any of this, feel free to give us a call, send us an email, get a hold of us so that way we can help you out if you have any questions or need any help getting scheduled up to come out to Summer Camp 2023. Again, this will be June 9th through the 11th, and hopefully we will see you then.